Hey everyone, Sam Battersby with Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our compact sit-on creeper 2. The exclusive design features 2 creepers in one. Whether you're changing wheels, servicing brakes, or detailing your baby, our compact sit-on creeper 2 empowers you to get any job done with ease while navigating bumps and cracks in your garage floor in comfort. If you've already purchased the first generation creeper, we've got you covered. Our upgrade kit includes all of the new features on the second generation so that you can enjoy those benefits on your first generation creeper. The top seat is removable and converts to a mini creeper featuring 4 casters for transport at ground level. This mini creeper platform provides ultimate comfort while kneeling or sitting to easily reach those low areas. The creeper body and comfortable, ergonomically curved seat are made of ultra-strong polyethylene material that's durable and lightweight. The optional foam cushion amplifies your comfort for long wrenching and detailing sessions. The addition of optional bottle holders expand your storage and bring your favorite beverage within arm's reach. All bottle holders available for the creeper will hold up to our 22-ounce bottles and larger aerosol cans, including the slots in the side trays. The main creeper body features a steel frame, heavy-duty 4-inch casters, 2 of which are lockable, and 2 accessory trays, as well as a storage drawer for organizing your detailing supplies like pads, towels, and tools. The creeper measures 25.5 inches long by 12.25 inches wide by 14 inches tall without the optional additional bottle holders on the sides, and features a 350-pound weight capacity. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, or check out our website at griotsgarage.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.